Right now in here this subway surface. Can you please first thing like, second thing subscribe, third thing nothing. That's my high score is, I don't know how to say, please. Sorry, but I'm gonna play now. Run from the Santa. Okay, the boot. The boot.
To your recording?
Yep. Down. Okay, there. Right, don't die. Okay,
yes.
Oh. Don't get stunned again.
Yes, get the
I
pickle.
don't like when the.
Why did you get the boot? Oh, wait, okay.
The boot's still good. I can't even go down.
Santa can't come here, can he?
I think. I don't know. Can he get there? If he can get up here, then we're in trouble.
Santa's fat, right? So like he can't do anything.
What did you say to that? Did you just say him fat?
That's reality.
I missed a coin. Oh no. That's fine. This is a bunch of coins. Oh no, I missed that.
Oh my god, I'm getting people. Yes. It's radical.
Oh, ow.
Sucker.
Oh, oopsies. Bye, guys. Oh, I'm gonna open this. Surfboard.
Okay, top to continue.
3.
Okay, let me see the video.
Okay, bye, guys.